This video is brought to you by GigShowcase.com.
Hi, this is Michael with GigShowcase.com, and this is a quick video to show you how to insert Google Analytics code into your website. Once you are logged into your site administrator, you can use this option here under Advanced is Custom Site Head Tag. If you do it from the Advanced menu, this will access the head tag for every page in your site. You won't have to do it individually. So if you click on that, and you may already have some code in your head tag. If you do, just make some room for some more. Grab your Google Analytics code from Google. In this case, I just have it in my notepad right now. And I copied that. I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm going to hit save. And that's it. Simple. It only takes less than 30 seconds to do that. Just for FYI, if you have any other kind of code snippets that you run into that need to go in a head tag, this is where you put it. And that'll put it in every page. Now, if you needed to do code in only one page of your site, you can go to Page Manager, and to the right of any page, you will see an option called Head. If you do it from here, it'll only put that head tag on this one individual page. Well, anyway, that's it. That was a simple, easy video. Have a nice day.
GigShowcase.com, where customer service is our priority and tech support is always free.